Welcome students to the topic of cells of immune system. Now in our previous presentation on hematopoiesis, I've introduced some of the shortcuts to remember the names of the cells which are involved in immune system. Now one shortcut was NOT and BAT. Now from NOT and BAT we will receive only four cells. One is NK cells, T for T cells, B for B cells and D for dendritic cell. And next from the three words pen, ben and madam will obtain the rest of the cells of immune system. The cells were from PEN there was platelets and erythrocytes. From BEN it was basophil, eosinophil and neutrophils. From madam it was monocyte, dendritic cells and macrophages. These are the cells of our immune system which develops in hematopoiesis. Now lymphocyte. This is the basic type of cells which are involved in immune system. Now lymphocytes comprises of B cells, which is B lymphocyte, which is of two types, antibody secreting, and it secretes a antibody as well as a memory cell. It has second type is T cell, which is of two type, T with a marker of CD4 and a marker with CD8. Natural killer cell and dendritic cell. Now our lymphocyte comprises of 20 to 40% of WBC, that is white blood cell. It is present in blood, lymph and lymphoid organs. The types includes B cell, T cell, NK cells as well as dendritic cell. Now B cell. Now what is B cell? B cell, the name arises because it matures from in bone marrow. Bone marrow starts with B, so the type of cell is named after it as B cell. In birds, it develops in bursa of fabricus, again it's B. Now it expresses membrane bound antibodies. Now these antibodies help in elimination of the antigen. Now whenever there is antigen interacting with a B cell, it secretes antibody and the secretory antibody is known as plasma cell, whereas it stores the memory as memory cell. So B cell is of two types, antibody secreting plasma cell and remembering the what type of antibody it has secreted as comprises of memory cell. Now there it is a type of APC. APC is antigen presenting cell. Now the markers which B cell express is CD45, class 2 MHC, CD35, CD21, CD80, CD86 and CD40. This is B lymphocytes. Next is T lymphocyte. It arises in bone marrow but it migrates to thymus for maturation. So the name is T due to thymus. It expresses TCR, that is T cell receptors. Now it helps in eliminating the antigen presenting cells, cancer cells, virus infected cells. Now it is of two types, Th and Tc. Th stand for T helper cell and Tc stand for T cytotoxic cell. Now the difference is due to the expression of a cluster of differentiation, that is CD. Th has CD4 whereas Tc has CD8. Now in the normal human beings the ratio of CD4 to CD8 is 2:1. Why? If the person is having any immunodeficiency or autoimmune diseases, then the ratio will just get altered. The ratio will be 1:2 in case of CD4 to CD8. This is T. T lymphocytes has a TC cell which provide protection against intracellular pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, and it kills the infected cell. Th cells shows defense against both extracellular as well as intracellular pathogen. Now what is the exact mechanism? Now Th cells stimulate B cell. Now B cell will release antibody. This antibody will inactivate first and then eliminate the pathogen. At the meantime, it will activate macrophage to destroy the intracellular pathogens. As the pathogens will be destroyed by the activation of TC cell, it will kill the target cells. So this is the entire mechanism what T cells do. It start with Th cells activating B cells, then B cells activated macrophages to again activate TC cells, and ultimately the target cell is being destroyed. The markers present are CD28 and CD45. Now NK cells. Now these are natural killer cells. Now they destroys the cell which are infected with pathogens. They comprises of 5 to 10% of the lymphocyte population. They does not have memory cells. Memory cells or the memorization is the only property which is exhibited by B cells. Now they releases biologically potent molecules. They have the capacity to destroy malignant and virus infected cells. Now they use perforins and granzymes to kill their target. So this is NK cells, that is natural killer cell. Dendritic cell. Dendritic cells is a type of phagocytic cells. It is an antigen presenting cell. In previous slide I have told that B cell is also a type of antigen presenting cell. It is of 4 types: Langerhans cells, intestinal dendritic cell, myeloid dendritic cells, lymphoid dendritic cell. Dendritic cell is basically secreted by both lymphoid progenitor as well as myeloid progenitor. It is a phagocytic cell, so it will phagocyte the antigen and then it do the processing and present antigen to the antigen presenting cell, so that it further will be processed and killed. Now granulocytes. Now we have moved to the myeloid progenitors and we have 3 granulocytes, that is basophil, eosinophil and neutrophil. Now the similarity is they have a irregularly shaped nucleus. They are polymorphonuclear leukocyte. The cytoplasm has reactive substances and this kill the microorganism and enhance the inflammation. Now we will deal with each of the granulocytes one by one. First is basophil. Now this is the structure of basophil, where there is glycogen as well as it is filled with granules which will help in cell antigen antibody interactions and its degradation. If we look at the structure of nucleus, it is a lobed structure. The name is basophil. So it stains with basic dye. Example is methylene blue. It comprises of less than 1% and it is non-phagocytic. Now how does this will function? This will kill by releasing the allergic substances which is present in the granules, that is examples are histamines, prostaglandins, serotonin and leukotrienes. Next is eosinophil. Eosinophils are again of the nucleus. You will see that nucleus is bilobed. It is stained with an acidic dye known as eosin. Now it comprises of 2 to 5% of WBC. It is a phagocytic cell. So it will engulf the antigens and act against protozoan and helminth. It will release the cationic peptides and reactive oxygen intermediate into the extracellular fluid. So basophil is non-phagocytic, whereas eosinophil is phagocytic. Next is neutrophils. Now this neutrophils, we will observe that it is a multi-lobed nucleus. While basophil was lobed, eosinophil was bilobed and neutrophil is multi-lobed. You have to, when we prepare the slides of WBCs, we can identify the cells by looking at the lobed structures. Now it is irregularly shaped nucleus, it is multiple lobed, that is multi-lobed, it has a granular cytoplasm, it is neutrophil, so it stains with both acid as well as basic dye. Either you can use eosinophils, eosins or methylene blue. Now it is produced in bone marrow and it is released into blood peripherals, blood, where it circulates for 7 to 10 hours and then migrate to tissues. It is an active phagocytic cell. So out of the 3 granulocytes, except basophils, eosinophil and neutrophils are phagocytic. Next is mast cell. Now, mast cell is formed in bone marrow. It is found in undifferentiated state in the blood, and it will differentiate when it enters the tissue. It is granular, it has a presence of histamine, and it causes allergic response, and it has high affinity for IgE. This is mast cell. Next is monocytes and macrophages. Now, monocytes is found in blood, whereas macrophages is found in tissue. It is the when monocyte is the precursors of macrophages, and when monocytes is if we look at the structure, monocytes are small, they are spherical with few projection and abundant cytoplasm and many granules. But when the monocytes enter the tissues, the size of monocytes increases, the projections become very prominent, and it is becoming a very higher amount of phagocytic cells. Thus the monocyte will finally convert to macrophages when it moves from blood to tissue. Examples are Kupffer cells in liver, alveolar macrophages in lungs, mesangial cells in kidney, and microangial cells in central nervous system's tissues. Hope you have understood it. If you like it, then you can share. If you have any problems or you like the presentations, do comment. If you like it, then please hit the like button. If you want, you can subscribe. Thank you.